I felt like stretching my legs a bit this morning, so my partner and I went for a spin, me on my bike and him on skates. This kind of morning activity always feels good to me. Nothing intense and nothing too demanding. It's just right to wake up the body, get the blood flowing, and give you that extra boost of energy and motivation for the rest of the day. It's so special to start the day this way, mainly because it doesn't happen often. The fresh air and a calm, sleepy morning, together with slow movement, can help clear your mind before everything else begins. And I really love that. I was so happy when I saw that asparagus has started to grow in my garden. I didn't even notice it right away because I had such a busy week. So today we are having asparagus with eggs for breakfast. They are so rarely on the menu since they are only in season for a short time each year. So I always look forward to enjoying them in any kind of way. I'm going to make a rolled omelette with eggs, and I'll put asparagus and carrot in the middle. I've taken a few days of work to catch my breath, slow down, and spend some relaxed time at home. I do have a few things to take care of around the house, but I can do that slowly and actually enjoy them, which is what matters most. It's also time to separate my vegetable seedlings. Right now, they are growing together in one pot, so I need to move them into individual pots to give them more space to grow. I'm slowly putting together a plan for what I want to try growing on my balcony. I already mentioned in my previous video that I'd like to experiment with growing some vegetables on my balcony, just out of curiosity, nothing more, since I already have garden outside. I already know that tomatoes will definitely be one of them. I will also try to grow a bell pepper, and definitely a chili peppers. Chili is a plant that I always keep in a pot on the balcony anyway. I have never planted in garden. I'll most likely also try to grow some kale, a bit of spinach, and maybe a few other things. I'll see how much space I'll have. And I'm definitely gonna share the progress with you. I really love this kind of work. It relaxes me so much. It's so satisfying to grow my own vegetable and bring food to the table without having to buy it. I take a good care of my plants, and I know exactly what I'm growing and eating. And the best part is, I mostly use everything right away. It doesn't sit around like store-bought veggies or fruit, which often takes quite some time to get from farm to the store. That's why freshly picked vegetables from the garden or a nearby farm tend to be richer in vitamins and nutrients. Sometimes I notice that I slip into survival mode because of the fast pace of my life and the responsibilities I have. And I truly don't want that. I want to live fully and enjoy life, not just get through it. That's why, for all of us, it's so important to take time for ourselves and spend it exactly the way we want, even if that means lying in hammock all day. Most of us can't fully control our schedule because of the jobs and the responsibilities we have towards the companies we work for. That's why the days of work when we can move at our own pace are so important. And we shouldn't feel guilty if we don't get everything done that we planned to do. I definitely don't feel guilty. It's okay to take things slow and just go with the flow. As long as we feel good and take care of ourselves, that's more than enough. Lately, I've noticed, both in myself and the people around me, that we often forget to enjoy the process of life itself. So don't forget, relax and enjoy your life. Have a lovely day and see you in my next one. Bye!